Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be seeing that how we could create an AI enhanced Formula 1 driver poster in CorelDraw. We are going to be seeing that we have created this um, a man dressed in Formula 1 grey standing upright, and it's done in imagine.art. And yes, here I have written Micheal Schumacher. If you replace Micheal Schumacher by a well-built man, let's not take a personality. So this is what you get. Okay. Now these prompts, whatever that I have written, are also in my description. You can please see the description and you can check it. So once you generate 2-3 of them, I think this one is good. And then now I have made some more changes. The man standing in front of the car. Oh, very nice. These guys are even giving me officers in that dress. Cool. Never mind. We download these two. Okay. Now let's take the car. Formula 1 car racing ahead, Canon E50 HD. Wow, this is giving me some good images. Okay. And speed behind the car, let's say color blur. Okay, it's basically working with the tires. Never mind. So these are also good. Let's download them also. And now we say Formula driver's signature. Now let's see what it gives. Okay, because we need a signature also on our wow. So it's not giving me any signatures, it's giving me illustration styles. That's nice. Now we go to another software by the name of Runway ML, and we copy paste the first thing with the man, well-built man. So now this is giving me more realistic kind of images. We go to our favorite tool, okay, to remove Pickwish and to remove the background. Let's remove the background of all the images that we want to work with. So we want this also where he is without a helmet. And now we take some images and we start working. So before that, let's upscale it. Okay, if you want to see that how upscale works, then please see my last video. I will be sharing the link of that in the uh, at the end of the video. Upscale is a software that you can just go to upscale.com and you can download it. It allows you to upscale your images by 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, depending on what you want to do. Okay, it could even go to 16 times. The processing time takes time to process, but it could even go up to 16 times. So it could really blow up images and it works brilliantly. There is very little loss of detail. So we upscale this one also. We are going to be using all these. Okay. Now let's take them, whatever that we upscaled. Okay, we take all of them and we start doing our artwork. Now this is going to be our main image and let's start work. Okay, so in this we power clip this image after making it kind of almost the width of our A4 size. Now this created by Imagine has to be removed. So duplicate this image and take the crop tool and crop the road. Why? Because we need the road. down there, right? Shift it to the right and flip it. So you get the same road. Now we need to blend these things. I think this clipping is too long. Let's clip it only till here. Yeah. Now we go into wireframe and now we need to see how much we need to blur. So take the bottom of the line because that will give you a straight blur. Okay, it's not going to be a cross blur and therefore the finishing is better. Convert this to DPI, RGB at 300 DPI and take this top part also. Yeah, this way. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is good. See, it blends perfectly. So now convert that also. Now select all or both the small image and the big one and make it one piece, single piece, and blur this from the top also. Okay. Now why we are doing that? Because the top part of our page is empty. So we take an RGB palette. It's very important and we give it a black color so that it's complete. Okay. Now we could take this and crop them so that you are not wasting a lot of space. And well, we need this man to be in between the background and the foreground. So we will have to erase erase the background of this one also. Okay, so this is how you do it. Make sure that all the parts of the car are there and none of the background is there. Okay, this pattern is a little off, so fill that part off. Yeah, and this is what it is. Okay, so now we got our image. We upscale this also. Okay, once it's done, and now we take that image and place it exactly after cropping. Obviously, after cropping, place it exactly on top of our car. Place this inside so that you can overlap it perfectly. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, cool. Cool. Now what we do, we put our main inside and control page down only once. So he comes behind and the fire and everything is showing from his hands. Okay. We put him in the helmet over here and we now will try to blend both of them together. Let's see, we use our transparency tool. Let's see what can be achieved. Not too happy. Let's do one thing. Let's remove him and we'll put the car only. Let's put the car. Okay, I think the car is a better option. So now what we do, that we go into Corel photo paint and we use the magic wand tool to select our flat background. This is the benefit of using a flat background. Okay, it can be very easily selected and then therefore deleted. So we get now this car is with this background, that is the black background. Okay, we keep it here and let's power clip it first. Okay, and we put it here and give it a transparency so that it blends. Okay. Let's do one thing. Yeah, push it more on the side. Let's flip both of them. Yeah, this is great. Okay. So the car is also coming on top of his for shoulder. It's not coming on top of his face, so it's good. And we give it a 50% transparency and we complete it. So let's say that there was a crash and this thing is in memory of him and things like that. So now we put his signature. So random signature. Let's take a random signature. Okay. Let's take John Smith because this is a just a name that people normally use. John Smith, like Lorem Ipsum. Okay. So we take this, we trace bitmap it and give it black and white. Come here, remove the color entirely from the image. So the white be in between the text also goes away. And we are done. We get this. Now there is some part that is problematic. That is near the slope curve of John. Okay, delete what you can, and the remaining part now you will have to get into your shape tool and delete the nodes. Okay, delete what you don't need. It's rough, it's fine, doesn't matter. Okay, it really doesn't matter if it's rough. You can just do a little bit of here and there and finish it. Okay, see, do not delete important nodes. That's very important. Okay, so this is fine. This is going to be reduced in size. Oh, sorry. Let's select all of them and weld it, and so that the dot of I, Smith, SMITH. So the I dot is also taken care of. Put the sign signature at a particular place and we are done. So my friends, here it's very important to basically see this, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.